Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chera. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my holiday decorate with me. This year I decorated in a few areas of the house, more so than last year. I did purchase a few new items this year that I've shared in previous videos, so I will leave that linked down below for you guys. Starting in the kitchen area here, I like to decorate my windowsill often throughout the year, and I just have 3 candles here. One is from Bath and Body Works. The white candle is Marshmallow Fireside, and then I have the small black candle that I got in the Target dollar section, I believe. I think that candle was about $3. And then I have the gold candle, which is from the Magnolia Home collection. It's absolutely beautiful. It smells wonderful. Moving on to the countertop area, I thought it would be fun to make a little Christmas tree display here. I purchased some trees from the Target dollar section. Yes, I got in trouble in the Target dollar section, and I thought it would be nice to make a tree display. So that is what I'm going to be doing next. I purchased a lot of neutral colors. They did have the green there, but I thought for the kitchen I wanted to stick with like wood. They had some white ones, they had black ones, they also had clear. I did end up later changing this area, as you can see here. I decided that the trees, although they were cute there, I moved them somewhere else in the kitchen. So this was my final tree display after plenty of going back and forth and changing it. The top tree there was from Hobby Lobby. Next, we're moving on into the living room area. I really loved how this came out. This is my first time doing kind of like a DIY tree decoration. I saved the tree limbs that they cut off at the Christmas tree place, and I created a floral display. For an additional centerpiece, I wanted to create this bowl. So that bowl is actually from my dining room area, and I just added some gold bulbs, silver bulbs, a little bit of silver in there, and just kind of created my own thing. I also put in pine cones. So that's the part I love about Christmas, is that you can really just do your own thing. You can really do a lot of DIY type things. So for the entryway table, this was kind of challenging because I didn't want to necessarily remove everything that I had there. I just tried to incorporate Christmas into the decorations that were already there, except for the top shelf. I did pretty much take everything off of there, and I actually haven't even shown you guys my new foyer entryway. Still have to finish something in the entryway before I can show you guys, but I will be showing that soon. But here you just see I had garland there, and then also I kind of layered the garland with eucalyptus that I had, and added some lights there, and it just came out really, really beautiful. This is the main tree, and I love it. I think she's beautiful, and I'm decorating this tree with kind of like the palette that I have in the living room. So black, white, silver, and gold is the palette that we're going for. And then let me show you the second tree. It's my cat. And then this is the second tree. This is the girls' tree. So yeah, this one is six feet, and the other one in there I think is between 8 and 9 feet. So yeah, I got the smaller tree here, and I'm just gonna do, obviously the presents and stuff will go on the first tree, but for here, I have an idea of how I want to decorate the base. So I'm excited. I got 2 trees. So as far as Christmas like decor, this is kind of what I'm working with here. I'm going to sort through it and kind of group together the items that I want to put together for decor around the house. For example, I'm going to group all of the trees here. These are meant for the foyer table, and then I have the reindeer, and just kind of plan where I want to put everything. These branches here, when they trimmed the tree before they packed it up, I asked them to keep these. I have a plan. I'm going to do a DIY with these. So stay tuned for that, because that'll be a separate video. And I'm going to put my outdoor decorations as well. So I'm going to just go through and sort everything right now. Well, we just finished spraying the tree white. We flocked it. This is my first time flocking a tree, and it has the right amount of just white. Kind of looks like a silvery green almost. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and the last time I picked up this vlog camera, I think it was, I want to say Friday, maybe Saturday, but anyway, it's Tuesday and I'm still working on the tree. I picked up some more things that I'm going to be adding to the tree, and I'm just gonna go over this and just show you what I got. So I needed some new flowers. The ones that I had already were like all crushed and just in terrible condition. So I picked these up from Michael's. They were 50% off, I want to say, maybe 40% off. And I got 2 bunches, and you see how many stems there are. So the plan for this is to cut these and then stick them in the tree. I also got these white, just kind of like styrofoam things. They look like snow, and I thought these were really cute, and that they will add another dimension to the tree that I've really never had before. Never put like stick figures in the tree. So I'm going to also do the same thing. I'm going to clip these with my nippers and then add them to the tree. I got just some plain white large size bulbs to add to the tree. I have 3 big ones on there now, so I'm just going to add these. They had bigger ornaments that I could have gotten, but I just felt like those were just too big for the tree, so I think this is a happy medium, a good size. And then here, these are just in case. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not, just depending on how the tree looks after I add all the rest of this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these, and then once I have cut them all, I will come back on and then we'll add them to the tree. Okay, so I am done cutting all of the flower decor. And in case I'm sure everybody knows this, but in case you don't know, flowers are a good way to add texture to your tree, and it's also a pretty affordable way to do so if you get 2 good bunches. These 2 branches had 5 each on them, had 5 stems on them each, and so now I have 10 instead of just having 2 large bunches to put in the tree. I can just spread them out all over the tree. And then from the flowers, the 2 bunches that I had, they came out to 8, so I have a total of 8 stems, 8 flowers that I can add to the tree. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the green on there, but it might be a good touch. It might add a nice touch to it, so we'll see. I'm gonna start in the middle of the tree and then work my way out. for 2020. I absolutely love it. I love how the black just gives it that touch of elegance that I was hoping for, and you know, it just came out really great. I love all of the decor that I put on there, even my old raggedy flowers. They don't look that bad mixed in with everything. I absolutely love it. I did add a little bit of gold ribbon onto it at the end there that I did not show on camera, but overall, yeah, the tree is beautiful, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this holiday decorate with me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys are all safe, and I'll see you in the next one.